If you want to see or know how I prepare this abba hair remedy that will make your hair to strong, beautiful, healthy and long, I guess you continue to watch this video till end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen Jade Natural. Peace and love everyone. In today's video, I'm here to share with you guys how I prepare this herbal remedy that will make your hair healthy, beautiful, strong, long. In this video, I'm using henna, hibiscus, clove, black tea and oil. So the first step that I take is to boil hibiscus, clove and black tea together. Then I add 2 spoons powder of henna in the bowl. Then I turn the hibiscus tea in it to mix it very well together. After it mixed very well, then I put 2 spoons of cayenne oil in it. Then I stir very well. Now our herbal hair remedy is ready to use. This is my last born, my daughter. Now I'm preparing to put the herbal remedy on her hair. I bound her hair up, then I take one section, then I will begin with water. This is rice water, guys. For those of you that have been watching my videos since, you will know that the first thing I always use on this channel while doing my hair or doing my family hair is to first spray our hair with liquid, with water. Then I will proceed to whatever I want to put on the hair. As you can see here, I've sprayed the rice water, then I've begun with the herbal hair remedy. So family, now that I'm done with the herbal hair remedy, the next thing I will do is to put a plastic bag to cover it. Then after, I will let it sit for about 30 minutes before I will wash it through. In this video, I'm not going to be showing you as I'm washing it, but after washing it, I will come back to show you the results. Now this is how her hair look like after washing it. What I noticed on her hair is her hair now feels so soft after using the herbal shampoo and our conditioner. So what we are going to do now is to be oiling her follicles, because henna can be so dry. Though I had 2 spoons of oil, but that is not enough to moisturize our hair. Henna can work great on hair. At the same time, it can make your hair to dry faster. So the important thing by using henna is that after using it, make sure you find organic herbal products that will moisturize your hair very well. So as I'm moisturizing it, at the same time I'm blow drying it out. So what I'm doing now is to blow dry from the roots, middle, but the end is free because I don't want any tiny ends. So this is our organic hair butters. This butters was made with different kind of organic butters that will be benefits to your hair and also add moisture to your hair. So I'm using low temperature in the root and in the middle, but I don't do anything to the end. Instead, I use my brush to brush the hair out. Then I will finally comb it with white toothbrush. As you can see the mouth, it doesn't look like blow dry, right? Yeah, because I don't want any tiny ends, as I said before. Wow, fabulous. See her hair. Now that we have done with the blow drying, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to style her hair. Her hair is so giving. It's just gorgeous, soft, long, beautiful, and easy to part while styling. See the way she's smiling. She loves it. So family, the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to be parting her hair and gradually be styling her hair in a beautiful style. So family, continue to watch this video. You will love the style at the end of the scene. So family, I'm using Brazilian wool to plait the hair from the roots because I forgot to buy rubber band from African store, and this hair need something to attach from the roots so that it can be intact and the shape of the love can be showing very well. So if you want to make this style, make sure you use rubber band or you also use the Brazilian wool as I do. So just use anything that will make you comfortable with the style. Now we have done with everything. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down in the section below. And also don't forget, your hair is your crown. I will see you in my next video. Ajay, this hair is so lovely and beautiful. Bye bye.
Bye bye.